How to use call forwarding or forward phone call to another number on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. So open the app drawer on your device. Tap the phone app. Tap the three vertical dots at the top right corner. Tap the settings. Now scroll down until you can find the supplementary services. Tap on it. Here you can find the option call forwarding. You can use call forwarding feature to forward your phone call to another number. So tap on a call forwarding. Here you can find two options, voice calls and video calls. So we select the voice calls. Now four option available on voice call, always forward. So when you select the always forward, it will automatically convert all your phone call to this number. You enter the number and tap on enable to convert your phone call to another number on your device. Forward when busy. So whenever you busy, it will automatically forward your call to another number. You enter forward when unanswered. If you are not reachable or your answer, you can't answer your phone call, it will automatically forward or translate your call to another mob number you add. And the last, forward when unreachable. So if your phone is or network is out of area or out of network, so it will automatically forward your call to another number you enter here. You can also enter contact from the contact list here. Tap the contact icon and select the number. So this is the four option available to forward your phone call to another number on your Samsung S24 Ultra or any other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.